Information systems are no longer something we build end to end. They're something we assemble. You directly control a small part of it, your application code, which you write, deploy, and change intentionally. Everything else is integrated. Programming languages, databases and optimizers, open source libraries, runtime networks, cloud infrastructure, and data arriving from outside the system. Each of these is supplied, updated, and evolved by somebody else. No single team owns all of this. Responsibility is distributed, but the integrated system depends on every component. AI does not replace these components. It dramatically accelerates the speed of change. Features are added, changed, and replaced. Execution paths shift. Most changes are correct. Most are well-intentioned. For the markets, those vendors prioritize. Faster AI-driven component evolution will increase the volatility of your integrated application's performance and reliability. TrueBench operates outside the system. It observes behavior as a black box, without instrumenting it or interfering with the execution. From the outside, we capture what the users experience. From the platform, we capture why the system behaved as it did. By preserving execution history and comparing behavior over time, change becomes observable. Not assumed, not inferred, explained. Soon, something somewhere will change, and performance will feel worse. Everybody will have opinions. Nobody will have proof. TrueBench preserves performance truth over time, providing early warning and narrowing where to look.